Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to simplify this fraction in here. So now I will show you how to answer. So we know that s squared minus 1, that's about s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. Next, about 2s, we can put about s plus s. Next, we can add positive number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1 in here. Next, because s is greater than or equal to number 1, so in this situation I can put about the square root of s plus 1. Everything to the power of 2. Similar for this one, I can put about the square root of s minus 1. Everything to the power of 2. So we see that this is about a square, this is about b square, this is about 2ab, and we know that this is about identity. So I can write into this way. That is about the square root of s minus 1. The square root of s minus 1 plus the square root of s plus 1. Everything to the power of 2. We know that the square root and the power 2, they will cancel each other, and you got about this one left. And now this one divided by this one, and you got about number 1. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.